As the sun sets on Malawa's tenure, the focus is shifted to who will step into the most powerful judicial seat in the country. All signs point to Justice Rita Makarao, a seasoned jurist whose own career has been marked by both high-level service and sudden unexplained departures. Thabana mashkobda nyuwachinsi a new successor in the wings. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Jepita Panapa, no conscience. Mukara's history is a mirror of the turbulence within Zimbabwean politics. As the former chairperson of the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, she was at the heart of the nation's democratic machinery. However, in December 2017, just weeks after the military-assisted ouster of Robert Mugabe and the inauguration of Emerson Mnangagwa, Mukarao resigned abruptly. She gave no reasons for her departure, leaving her colleagues and the public in a state of confusion. At the time, sources within ZEC described her as being in a jovial and cheerful mood just days before her resignation, suggesting that the exit was not a personal choice but a result of political pressure. Some opposition figures, including Job Scholar, went as far as to claim that she had been forced to resign at gunpoint. He returned to the judicial fold as a Supreme Court judge, and her now imminent elevation to the position of Chief Justice suggests a rehabilitation of her standing within the new dispensation. The transition is already underway. It was noted by several senior lawyers that Mukarao was originally slated to oversee the 2026 legal year opening, a role usually reserved for the sitting Chief Justice or his immediate successor, while Malawa eventually performed the ceremony himself. The message was clear. The baton is being passed. Toma developments are pangwa inwe atuona kuti as Chief Justice Luke Malawa pangwa inwe vakurwa pasi ari kuonekwa aiwa ari a possible successor angauya achitevera mutsoka dzaLuke Malawa ndo Justice Rita Mukarao. Pana comment section medu zofungura any more kudi from the page. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.